Ingredients: for crispy noodles 100 grams Hakka noodles, boiled 1 tablespoon corn flour, cornstarch, oil, for deep frying. For soup, 2 tablespoons corn flour, 1/2 tablespoon oil, 1/2 tablespoon finely chopped garlic, 1/2 tablespoon finely chopped ginger, 1 medium onion, finely chopped, approximately 1/4 cup, 1/4 cup finely chopped carrot, 1/4 cup finely chopped green beans, 1/4 cup finely chopped capsicum, 1/4 cup finely chopped tomato, 1/3 cup finely chopped cabbage, 2 tablespoons finely chopped coriander leaves, optional, 2 cups vegetable stock or water, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 teaspoons chili sauce, 1/2 teaspoon vinegar, a pinch of black pepper powder, 1-2 tablespoons finely chopped green onion, optional, salt to taste. Step 1. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon corn flour cornstarch over boiled noodles. Toss them well to coat each noodle with flour evenly. Deep fry the noodles in hot oil until crispy. Step 2. Mix 2 tablespoons corn flour with 1/4 cup water and keep aside. Make sure that there are no lumps. Step 3. Heat 1/2 tablespoon oil in a deep pot or a kadaai over medium flame. Add 1/2 tablespoon finely chopped garlic, 1/2 tablespoon finely chopped ginger and 1 finely chopped onion. Sauté until onion turns translucent, for 1-2 minutes. Step 4. Add 1/4 cup finely chopped carrot, 1/4 cup finely chopped green beans, 1/4 cup finely chopped capsicum, 1/4 cup finely chopped tomato and 1/3 cup finely chopped cabbage. Step 5. Sauté until all veggies are cooked but still crunchy, for approximately 2 minutes. Step 6. Add 2 tablespoons finely chopped coriander leaves and mix well. Step 7. Add 2 cups of vegetable stock or water. Step 8. Add 2 teaspoons chili sauce and 1/2 teaspoon vinegar. Step 9. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Step 10. Mix well and let the soup cook over medium flame. Step 11. When the soup starts boiling, add corn flour water mixture and mix well. Stir continuously for a minute to prevent any lumps formation. Step 12. Add a pinch of black pepper powder and salt to taste. Step 13. Add 1-2 tablespoons finely chopped green onion. Step 14. Let the soup cook until it starts to thicken. It will take 3-5 minutes. Turn off the flame. Manchow soup is ready for serving. Transfer it to individual serving bowls and garnish with green onions and fried noodles. Please subscribe our channel, share this video, and click bell icon to support us.